Welcome back to Learn PHP on Codecademy. We're in the PHP and HTML section. This is review. In this lesson, you've begun to learn how to use PHP to generate HTML. This will become even more powerful as we learn how to get information from the client and use that to create dynamic websites. Let's review what we've learned so far. The front end of a website consists of JavaScript, CSS, HTML, images, and other static assets sent to the client. When we navigate to a website, the browser is the client and it sends a request to the backend for all the assets needed to view and interact with the website. The backend consists of a web server and all the logic and data needed to create and maintain a website or web application. PHP is a backend language. PHP can be used to generate HTML files. We embed PHP scripts within HTML by inserting PHP code between the opening and closing tags. Understanding that PHP is a backend language and that we can use it to generate HTML files dynamically is very key to this section of our course. PHP was created to work with HTML and allows us to create dynamic websites. Make sure to go over the PHP and HTML section until you really get the difference between front end and back end and how we can use PHP to create dynamic websites. We'll cover this more in the future, and once you're ready, I'll see you in the next lesson.
Hey, quick question for you. Are you happy with your current job or career? Do you like to go to work every day and see yourself doing what you're doing right now forever? If not, I'd like to share with you a little bit about the sponsor of this video, the Programmer Coach. The Programmer Coach is an online coding program that helps people learn how to code and get a high-paying job as a software developer. Their program is unique in that they teach you how to code by doing, through practice, which is truly the only way to learn any skill at the end of the day, right? Plus, they provide you with coaches to help you whenever you run into any issues. They also have career coaching and placement services, where they work with you and help you get your first job as a software developer. And the best part, their program is affordable and accessible for anyone and everyone. That's right, you won't pay the bulk of your tuition until you actually land a job as a software developer. To learn all of the details you would ever need and get all of your questions answered, simply go to becomeaprogrammer.com. Becomeaprogrammer.com. Once again, that's becomeaprogrammer.com.